how to deposit a check in RBC Mobile App. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application RBC. Once you're in the home page, now what you want to do is scroll down and then click on Sign In. Enter all of your login credentials. Select the RBC service and then tap on Sign In. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to Move Money at the bottom. And then click on Deposit a Check. Read the legal terms and conditions and click on Continue. Now in this page, what you want to do is, you will have to upload the front of the check and also the back side of the check. Tap on Continue. Once you have uploaded both the back and front side of the check, enter the amount that you want to deposit. Also choose the account where you want to deposit. Once done, tap on Continue at the bottom. Click on Deposit Now. And there you go. The check has been deposited into a specific account that you have chosen. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.